Yes, people, see it here now. Ever hear about storm yet? Ever hear about snowstorm yet? Back home, we used to hurricane, strong winds. I blow down people fence, I blow down tree, broke off limb, damage people property. We don't have that over this side, man. We don't have that in Ontario. But one thing, you sure about? You sure about snowstorm? Every day you get up and look, I hope say it get lesser and lesser. And when you look it, I get more and more. Look there. People build mountains out of the amount of snow where they have to shovel off of them driveway. A mountain. See there? Couple months ago, all of them areas are flat and nice and green and pretty. Look there now. Be a mountain. Be a mountain on the plains. You see what I go on? It's normal. Eh? You know about ice? See the Ice Age. Eh? Don't forget about the movie. It's an Ice Age. It's the real thing. Be ice. It's nice. You see me a laugh so? It's cool and funny. Oh. So, yeah man, welcome to Canada. Welcome to Canada. When I say I live in a paradise. When I say sun a burn. And you're tired of the heat. Well, if you're tired of the heat, come here, so man. All your problems will go away. Just come right in at this. Come right in at January, February. If you come to Canada, yeah man, bring everybody with you, man. Come. January, February. Right there some more you come experience, man. When they say, oh, paradise I live in. Come on. This will be the test of times. This will determine what you're really made out of. This is for the fittest of the fit. Eh? Eh? And the fittest one will survive. Remember me tell you that. Mark you. Remember me tell you that. If you think say you're tough, if you think say you're strong, if you think say you can endure, and you have all of the best endurance in you, try this. Go and try Canada. In a them time. Try this Ice Age. And tell me. Want to see for myself. Call me and show me.